IIIA. So, welcome to our school's annual STEM Week. You may be wondering that what is STEM Week and why it is called STEM Week. So, STEM Week is an event where four types of categories get divided into four groups, which are science, technology, engineering, and math. Do you know why it is called STEM? It is called STEM because S for science, T for technology, E for engineering, and M for math. So, for you, we have added some science talks, quizzes, and some mind blowing experiments to make you enjoy our STEM week. So, let's start.
Good afternoon, dear teachers, parents, and friends. I am Zunaira Shinsai. Me and my friend Sadia have prepared a science talk for you. Now, I'm going to talk about some famous scientists and their inventions. First, I'm going to talk about Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born on January 1643 in England. He died on 31st March 1727 in England. His major inventions are universal gravity and laws of motion. He also invented the Newtonian telescope. He was awarded the Fellowship of the Royal Society. And now I'm going to talk about another famous scientist called Marie Curie. Marie Curie was born on 7th November 1867 in Poland. She died on 4th July 1943 in France. Her major inventions are radioactivity. She invented radioactive elements which are radium and polonium. She also developed X-rays. She was the first woman who won Nobel Prize, but not only that, she is the only woman who won Nobel Prize twice. Her first Nobel Prize was in physics in 1903 for research on radiation. Her second Nobel Prize was in chemistry in 1911 for discovery of new elements which are radium and polonium. Now I'm going to talk about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in Germany. He died on 18th April 1955 in New Jersey. His major inventions are special and general theory of relativity and photoelectric effect. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for the photoelectric effect. Lastly, I am going to talk about Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born on 8th January 1942 in England. He died on 14th March 2018 in England. His major inventions are discovery of the radiation of black hole, which is known as Hawking radiation. He was famous for his popular book, which is A Brief History of Time. He was awarded the Fellowship of the Royal Society. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.
Thank you, Zanara, for talking about science talks. Now, our dear friends will show you some mind blowing experiments. Now, our dear friend Sadia will show you an experiment. Let's see it.
Good morning, dear parents. My name is Sadia, and this time I'm in the science group. And my science experiment name is lava lamp experiment. For this experiment, I need a glass of water, cooking oil, spoon, effervescent tablet, and a food color. First, in the glass of water, I will pour some. Then I will add some food color. Next, at last, I will give an effervescent tablet. And now we can see there is now bubbles are coming out and looking like lava lamps. The learning from this experiment are first when we gave some oil in the water, we could see it is floating. It happened like this because oil is lighter than water. And next, when we gave the food color, we could see it didn't dissolve with the oil but dissolve with the water. It happened like this because oil is not a universal solvent, but water is a universal solvent. At last, when we gave the effervescent tablet, we can see now it is coming out like lava. It happened like this because the effervescent tablet has calcium carbonate, and when we gave it in the water, it produced carbon dioxide and came out in the form of bubbles and now looking like lava lamp. Thank you. Any question or comments?
Thank you. It was really nice. And you have put very good effort. I can see you can utilize the thing you have in your home. Yes, Famida.
Yes, and
Yes, Yashna.
it is really appreciable because from the beginning you are working by yourself and you have
Right.
done all these things. And a special thanks from me and Sama Miss and from the whole class to you for the quizzes you have made.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, Mama. Thanks for your effort.
Yashna, yes, please. What you want to add?
Nadia, your lava lamp turned out very creative and very neat and very tiny. I like it.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Nafasat.
Now our dear friend Yashna will show her experiment.
Good morning, dear respected friends, teachers, and parents. My name is Yashna, and today I'm going to show you my experiment on salt, pepper, and balloon experiment. For this experiment, I need 2 tablespoons, something fluffy. You can use your hair, dog, sweater, but I chose towel. Some pepper, a brush, and a plate. First, we have to put 2 teaspoons of salt. And then we have to give 1 teaspoon of pepper. I chose black pepper. I have my
Yes, what we can say.
Hmm.
Yes, we are speechless actually by today's performance of yours. The way you
Yes.
have conducted the quiz, yes, obviously, the experiment you are doing from the very beginning and very enthusiastically you are doing alone by yourself. Thanks a lot for showing your enthusiasm and the anchoring. You are a real communicator, by born
You,
communicator.
we are speechless the way you anchor. We are really speechless. We were talking about you. You are too good, mashallah.
Yeah. Okay, Nafasat.
And now myself, I will show my own experiment. So for my experiment, I needed two caps, one plastic base, one balloon, and one straw. For this, for the first step of my experiment is to blow into this straw. Then as you can see, I already did the second step, which is move my thumb so that the air can stay in the balloon. So for the third step, I will let it go. And for the force and mass of air, it should move. So as you can see, for the force and mass of air, it moved forward. Any question or an comment?
Okay, Nafasat.
Was
Thanks a lot. You are a real scientist because you didn't actually problems couldn't uh, stop you. Last slot you faced problem but you fixed it and again you come. So that is what a scientist should do. The people, not only scientists but also all the people, failure is the pillar of success. The more we
Very
will
true.
fail, from each and every failure we will learn something new. Thanks a lot,
Very true.
Nafasat, for all of your effort. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Sama Miss.
and your car
Yeah.
and your
Gungu.
Yes,
car was
yes.
very nice.
Yes, I like it. Please make it for me one. And Famida.
Yes.
We
And
will
I only used
use it.
one, and I only used two tires.
Oh, so
And
it will
Nafasat,
be less expensive.
yeah, and it will be environmental friendly also. So please
Very
try
true.
to try to make it actually in such a way so that we can also ride on it.
I will try in the future.
Inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
So Nafasat, the next person.
Miss, there is nobody else left.
Zunaira, you forgot.
Dunara, oh,
Oh,
did
my dear says Zunaira. Now our dear friend Zunaira will show her experiment.
Good afternoon, dear teachers, parents, and friends. I am Sunab Shinsai from grade 3A. Today I will present my STEM week project under the engineering category. My project's name is a homemade motor. Motor is a very common device. We use it in a lot of instruments and machines. For example, car, water pump, fan, electric beater like this, etc. You can see here I have a commercial motor and I will attach it with this fan. And now I will connect it with the battery. You can see the motor is rotating the fan. Now I will show you an interesting thing about motor. You can see I have a metal gem clips right here and I will attach it with the motor. It attached. That means the motor has a magnet inside it. So to actually rotate a motor, we need two things, which are electricity and magnet. Now I will show you how to make a simple homemade motor. I will need batteries in casing with crocodile clips, a magnet, a coil to rotate, and two gem skips to support the coil, and a breadboard for to keep them stable, also for base. You can see I already fixed the metal gem skips, and now on the breadboard, now I will connect the batteries. And now I will hang this coil through the gem skips. And now I will put this magnet right below the coil. You can see the coil is rotating by itself. Do you know why it is rotating? It is rotating because the electricity from the battery is passing through the gem skips, then the coil, and again back to the battery. So the magnet here is producing magnetic field around it, and the battery. So the electricity from the battery and the magnet is producing a magnetic field on the coil. You're gonna now I'm going to take away the magnet from the battery, I mean coil, and now you can see the coil stop rotating. And now I'm going to put the magnet back again, and you can see the coil again started rotating. But if now I take a I mean disconnect the battery, it also again stops rotating. That means we need both magnets and electricity to rotate a coil. This experiment shows the operation of a motor in a very simple way. Thank you. Do you have any question or comments towards my project?
It was really nice. It was wonderful and
Yes.
wonderfully conducted. Well
Yeah.
done, dear.
A great presentation, and we can see our future engineer over here. Yes, and we are waiting for the revolutionary inventions. Inshallah, we
Yes,
will be able to see.
inshallah.
And thanks a lot for your effort and the support parents have given, because without their support, it was not possible to
Hmm.
do a STEM week, a whole week online. Yes, these
Thank you.
impossible thing we made possible only for the support of the parents with our students.
Very true.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks
you.
a lot. Yes. So Yashna Begum, start.
So after
Gungun?
all these
Yes,
experiments,
miss.
Hmm.
so let's jump into some quizzes.
She is being stuck.
Yeah, she has poor internet connection, I think.
Are
She's
you
facing
ready?
problem.
Miss, will I tell?
Please, can you hear me?
Yashna, Mama, your voice is broken. I think you are facing poor internet connection. So,
She was moving to some places. That place she said like she was sitting in front of the what?
router.
Modem. Go
Yeah,
and sit, huh? Go
go
and sit
beside the
there. I
router.
think,
But now I
yes,
think she
please.
is using data.
Okay.
Is it? Mobile data you are using?
No, miss.
Okay.
No, miss. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Miss, wait a minute.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Zareen is there. Okay, before Yashna, can we listen from Zareen?
Yes.
Yes, Zareen. Mama, are you ready with your project? Zareen, can you hear us, Ma?
Miss, so after all these experiments, models, and mind-blowing projects and science talks, I think you might want to refresh your mind. So let's jump into some quizzes. Are you ready?
Yes.
world of science, people. Our dearest friend, Sadia Tasneem, has made this quiz for us. And I helped her by presenting it. So let's begin. How many planets are there in our solar system? 6, 8, 11. I don't know.
8.
8? Okay, let's see. I am excited. Answer 8. Woohoo! Keep it up. Excellent. Which can produce their own food? Bird, human, tree? I might know this one.
Tree.
Okay, dear parents, actually we need your support to motivate our
Yes.
students. So if possible, please answer their
Answer.
questions so that they can get the motivation.
Who can produce? Who can produce their own food? Bird,
Tree.
human, tree?
Tree.
Tree. Okay, let's see. Tree. Whoa, keep shining. Keep it up. I want to do some more. Which two elements constitute water? Oxygen and hydrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, oxygen and sodium. I might know this. Miss, my mom is telling oxygen and sodium.
Oxygen and hydrogen.
Sorry, she was telling hydrogen. I heard wrong. Let's see. Oxygen and hydrogen. Good. Good, mom. What is the common property of matter? Color, odor, mass? Help, please.
Mass.
Miss, my mom is saying mass.
Okay, so let's see.
Let's see. Answer mass. You are correct. I want to do some more. Which device can convert sunlight into electricity? Windmill, solar panel, generator?
Solar panel.
Miss, solar panel. Good, mom. Good job, everyone. Moving on to the next. What is the force by which Earth attracts an object towards its center? Electromagnetic force? Gravitation? I need to think about it. Gravity? Let's see.
Answer is gravity.
Miss, my mom is saying gravity.
I'm also saying gravity.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Gravity. Great, you did it. Thank you. Any question or comments?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, now we can understand, Yashna, isn't it? Why you people are so smart? Because your moms are also smart. Moms and dads, isn't it?
Yes. Teachers also.
Yeah, Sadia's
Thank
father,
you.
and thanks to the parents actually, Zain's mom, Zunaira's mom, Yashna's mom, and Sadia's father. You people made time from your busy schedule for us. Okay, Yashna, we have the math one. Do you want to try with that?
Yes, Miss, my mom is saying that teachers made us smart.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Actually, it's our combined effort. It's a collaboration.
Yes.
Hope. So after all, I am tired of doing science. Let's jump into some mathematics to make our mind refreshed again. Everyone, get off the spaceship. Welcome to the math planet, everyone. Our dearest friend Gungun Bohmik has made this quiz especially for us. Let's start the quiz. I can't barely wait. So, how many edges does a cuboid have? 14, 6, or 12? Let's see.
12.
12. Great answer. Let's see.
Archimedes, I guess.
Okay. Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. The father
Yay!
of Archimedes. Good. Confidence is the key. Which of the following option is related to math? Rhyme, addition, capitalization, computer. Help me. That isn't an option if you were wondering.
Addition.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The
Yeah.
answer is addition. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job. The end. Hope you liked our presentation on this annual STEM week, parents. We also hope that you enjoyed our presentation and hope you learned something new.
Now,
If you have any question or comments, our dearest friend Sadia Gungun has very dearly made these presentations for us. Any question or comment? How about you, Gungun?
so if you don't have any question or comments, how about we start a memory game for you?
Sure.
Let's start.
Let's start.
So the game's name is memory game. So the rules to play the games are:
Do not take screenshots, do not cheat, do not discuss with other specialist students, including Zunaira and Nafasa. Don't give up in the middle of the game. If you lose, don't copy paste while we show the words.
okay. So let's start. Round 1. There is 4 jumble words.
You have to use the scrambled words to make a new word. How about you, Saima Miss?
I think
Oh,
first
no,
one.
wait.
Yeah, we got it.
Math.
We got it.
So the first,
Second one is very true.
Math. Math.
Math, good job.
Third one is
Technology.
wow.
is Sababa's mom said science, math, technology.
And last one.
So as it is a memory, so as it is a memory game, so now you have to remember the words and tell.
Science, math, technology, engineering.
Wow.
Okay, Sadia could say 3 words. Who can say 4 words? Ahyan?
Science, math, technology, engineering.
Yes, Sunara, great job.
A real smarty pants.
Thumbs up. Ahyan?
Science, technology, math, engineering.
Great job. You did it. So I think you have liked our preparation on our STEM week. And thank you for your